Hi, I'm Houston Singletary from Ableton, and this is APC20 from Akai Pro.
In this video, we'll cover note mode on APC20.
The APC20 has a brand new feature called note mode, and what this does, it allows me to use the drum pads, okay, if you will, the clip pads within the 5x8 grid to actually enter in notes via MIDI, which is great. So I simply select note mode, and I'll arm the track that my MIDI instrument is on. In this case, this device is the drum rack. Okay, so I'm going to go to track 6, which I've already selected. I'll initiate my record input, and now I can use the pads to actually enter in notes, which is great. Let's go ahead and kick off a pattern here. So we'll go ahead and solo that track so we can just hear the drums. And I'll go ahead and give myself a count off with our metronome. Here we go. And I'm in MIDI Overdub, so now it's just going to wait for me to input new notes as it cycles around on the bar. Now if I escape out of note mode and go back to the session view, and in the 5x8 grid you can now see that this clip on this particular track and the scene is highlighted in red, which means I'm record enabled and I'm in MIDI overdub mode. So now I can exit out of solo, we can hear how that sounds with the rest of the track. So I can control the fader, which is great. I can solo that track out again. And if I want to overdub additional notes, I just go back to note mode. Escape out of note mode, and I can stop those clips. So that's a look at note mode on the APC20.